Dear friends, you definitely know that the Russian Federation gives one of the best education in the world. The Open Doors Olympiad is your unique chance to get scholarship and become a student at one of leading Russian universities. The scholarship covers all tuition expenses, Russian language course, and provides student dormitory for affordable fee. Moreover, you will get pocket money monthly if you have high academic results. Registration is open from September on the website od.globaluni.ru. Open Doors Olympiad includes 2 stages. Just follow several simple steps to apply and undergo the first stage. Choose 6 universities, attach your educational documents, attach your motivation letter. In case of passing the first stage, follow strictly all instructions that you will get. Undergo assessment procedure. If you don't speak Russian language at all, it's not a problem. Scholarship includes Russian language course. Moreover, Olympiad offers educational programs in English language. Open the door to a world of limitless opportunity with the Open Doors Olympiad. The Open Doors Olympiad is your first step towards a successful career.